Hey everyone, so there's a winter storm warning out for tonight, and you can see it started here in West Michigan. So we're supposed to get 8 to 14 inches of snow possibly, and blizzard type conditions and high winds with up to 50-mile-per-hour gusts. It's supposed to last from now until tomorrow night, but I feel like going for a walk, so I'm gonna walk to the Ada village. It's about a mile away. I'm gonna walk there, and then a mile back. I'm just gonna check this winter storm out, see how bad it gets, and I'll get back to you if there's anything else interesting to show. Like by the time I get back, I'll probably grab a bite to eat, but I'm a little hungry. But time I get done, maybe there will be some more accumulation. There's enough already, but anyway, that was too fast, I know. I'll get back with you. Okay, just a little update. Yeah, it is snowing pretty good. I need a windshield wiper and defrost for my glasses, because I'm looking underneath them on the ground to see somewhat where I'm going. I'm just getting back in touch to show the little tunnel that goes underneath the railroad bridge that I'll be going underneath. That time I'll take the opportunity to clean my glasses and also tie my hood, which I should have secured before I left, but thought it would be all right. Well, the bridge is almost here, and I'll get inside the shelter of the tunnel, and then I'll cut off the video again and pick it back up when I get into the town of Ada. All right, trying to be careful and not fall because I really can't see. There we go, and I'll pick it back up when I get into town. So I didn't film anymore when I got up in town because I went to Fresh Market in Ada, and I got a sandwich and some hot chocolate. Then I did some grocery shopping. I got 6 bags that were quite full and heavy, and I didn't want to mess with filming and having those as I was walking either, and not slip and fall. So anyway, be safe, and talk to you soon. Bye for now.